What does it mean when somebody tells you that your RV is solar ready? It's solar prepped. It simply means that this junction box is installed from the factory on the roof. In this case it's on the back of the RV. And you can see I've already got it wired, and I've got some duct tape holding my wires down from the wind. But it just simply has a male and a female connector, and then the wires run down through the frame of the RV into a cubby hole. And so it's just pre-wired. If your RV's not pre-wired, it's not that big of a deal. You can buy one of these components, or in the past I just ran wires down my fridge vent, and that worked out awesome too. So you can see this is my RV setup, but to continue talking about how it's pre-wired, the red and white switch coming out of that breaker box just goes up into that group of foam up there, and then there was a little compartment that said solar pre-wire. That's pretty much all it is. Alright, well that's it for the solar pre-wire quick video. Stay tuned, watch some of my other videos, and I will explain how this whole system works. Thanks for watching.